Let's get started with Documents in SafetyCulture. Documents is a centralized file management solution that makes it easy for your teams to access the most up-to-date information, whether they're in the office, on-site, or offline. In this tutorial, we'll cover creating folders to organize your files, adding labels and updating file versions, managing folder and file access, creating QR codes for quick document lookup, and using Documents on the mobile app. Here's how it works. Go to Documents. First, you'll need to create folders to keep your documents organized. This is a great way to separate files by department, project, or workflow. Let's add a folder. You'll need the document's administrator permission to create main folders, which are the top or root level folders that contain all your subfolders and files. For example, in a manufacturing setting, you might create a main folder named SOP's Electrical Components that host all related SOPs. You can also drag and drop entire folders here. SafetyCulture will automatically create those folders, including any nested ones, making setup much faster. You could then upload a SOP file in the folder, making it easy for the right teams to access critical procedures. Let's add that file. Use the Add Files button to upload them from your device. You can add up to 100 files at a time. Now that the file is uploaded, let's add a label. Head to Settings. Labels make it easy to identify files by project, department, or document type, ensuring your team can quickly find what they need. Adding a label such as Startup Procedures makes it easy for technicians to recognize the document's purpose right away. Great! Let's head back and take a look at editing the file that was uploaded. Click here to edit the file. Now we can add the Startup Procedures label. You can apply multiple labels to one file if it fits more than one category. If needed, you can change the file name and add a description here. Keeping files up to date is easy. When a new version of a document is available, simply upload it here to replace the old one. Then click Save. Documents keeps track of every version, so you can view or restore previous versions anytime. We can view document version history here. Version history tracks all updates, including the user that made the changes. Let's move on to permissions to ensure the right people have access. You can assign access to individual files when needed, but in this case, we'll assign access at the main folder level using groups. It's a faster way to manage access, and it saves time as your documents database grows. Click here to manage access. Then assign users or groups. For example, you might give edit access to the Team Leads group who manage SOPs. Now set their access type. Groups with edit access can add subfolders or files within the main folder. Then give view access to technicians on the floor who just need to reference them. Now that access is set, let's make it easy for your team to find the right documents. Generate a QR code so they can just scan and go. To create one, click the three dots on a folder or file, then select Create QR Code. Download the QR code and share it in whatever way works best for your team. Now let's head to the mobile app to check our work. Viewing documents in the field is simple. Users can go to the More tab, then tap Documents. Then open a folder and view the document they need. The documents available match their assigned access. They can even bookmark files and make it available for offline use if they're working in remote areas. When the device reconnects, documents will automatically sync, ensuring everyone has the latest version. With SafetyCulture Documents, your team can stay connected to the information they need wherever they work. If you're moving documents from another platform like SharePoint or Dropbox, you can use the SafetyCulture Documents API. This allows you to automate file uploads, folder creation, and even version management, saving your team time and reducing manual effort. Go to developer.safetyculture.com to get started. For this and more in Documents, head to help.safetyculture.com.